avec le professeur 𝔦𝔫𝔤𝔢𝔫𝔠𝔢𝔢, qui est ici représenté par le docteur Karga Kapsia. Donc, le jury est constitué de lui-même, du docteur Gabonais Bernard, qui est chargé du département de l'enseignement public, et de moi-même, le professeur Mikari Saïd. Nous allons vous donner 15 minutes pour nous présenter l'essentiel de notre travail. Ensuite, suivant les échanges. Alors, monsieur Milla, vous avez la parole. Assistant de
Ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome to the Master's Engineering Conference. I'm here to entertain you on the theme. Optimization of the vegetable oil bleaching process. Case study of Garo 𝔬𝔤𝔢𝔫𝔞𝔫𝔠�𝔰 oil. This work is divided into 5 main parts. We have the introduction, presentation of food structure, materials and methods, results and interpretation, and finally we have the conclusion. We shall dive straight into the introduction. Here we talk about the vegetable oil, which is an important part of the food and industrial processes. Here, these products faces challenges such as the bleaching process, and the bleaching process faces challenges such as inefficiency and the variation of the product. The variation of the product is this study is focused on optimizing or ameliorating the bleaching process of cottonseed oil. We shall dive straight into the context. The context here, which led us to choose this term, was based on the following properties: the oil extraction mill of Marwa uses physical extraction, while the oil mill of Gara uses chemical extraction of cottonseed oil. So, due to the differences, the cottonseed oil of Marwa contains more impurities than that of Gara after extraction. So, in this case, we decided to ameliorate the bleaching process of the two oil combined. We have the specific objective, which is the amelioration of the bleaching process, and we have specific objectives, which are the production and activation of charcoal from cottonseed husk. We have the bleaching process of cottonseed oil, and we have to bring them together. We shall dive into the presentation of food structure and literature review. The 𝔬𝔤𝔲𝔢𝔫𝔤𝔢𝔢 was created on the 10th of May 1974 by the decree 74/457 in order to control, to transform, and to commercialize the cottonseed products. We shall go to the geographical location of the 𝔬𝔤𝔲𝔢𝔫𝔤𝔢𝔢. The 𝔬𝔤𝔲𝔢𝔢𝔢 of Gara is divided into 2 main parts. We have the board of direction and the oil mill. The oil mill. So the head of board of direction is found in the Marwari district, while the oil mill is found in the 𝔬𝔤𝔲𝔢𝔫𝔤𝔢𝔢 district, where we carry out our studies. We shall dive straight into the mission and objectives of the company, which are the collection and ginning of cotton seeds, extraction of cottonseed oil from cottonseed seeds, and we have the selling and exportation of cottonseed fiber. We also have the intensification of agricultural practices. Then we shall talk about the activity of the company, which are agricultural, industrial, and commercial activities. So, furthermore, we talk about the literature review. The literature review here we talk about two main processes, which begins with the process of the production of cottonseed oil from the cotton seeds. We have the reception and handling of the cotton seeds. We have clearing and sharing of the cotton seeds. We have the pressing of the cotton seeds to facilitate extraction of oil. We have extraction and neutralization of the cottonseed oil after extraction. We have the extraction and neutralization of the cotton seeds, the oil. Then at the refining process, we have the bleaching and the deodorization stages. Then we shall further talk about the activation of charcoal, such as Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. We shall dive into the method used. The method used here is known as the 𝔬𝔤𝔤𝔬𝔤 PDA cycle, also known as the 𝔬𝔤𝔤 PDS cycle. This cycle here is this cycle, this method of approach, it is a method which is used to ameliorate the processes of production. It is also used to ameliorate the management of companies. Here, the plan here simply refers to the fact that we have to carry out our research and come out with specific goals and plans. And we have the do. Do here simply refers to the execution of the plans to carry out in the first stage. Execute the plan to carry out the first stage, and the check followed by the check level, where we have the control. That is, after carrying out after executing our plans carried out, we use this point. We use this point here, the checkpoint. Not expected. In case if the results are not ameliorated, we then fall into the phase where it is known as the act. This act here simply refers to the fact that we have to ameliorate, we have to change parameters. If the temperatures were not controlled, if the temperature was above the temperatures required, we have to vary the temperatures. So this diagram, this is a flow diagram which explains the activation of charcoal from the cotton seed hulls. Further, this is an apparatus set for the bleaching process in the laboratory to bleach the oil using the activated charcoal and the bleaching clay. After the presence of soap, further, we shall dive into results and conclusions.